Today, Goa Police celebrated the Racing Day. Next day after the liberation, the Goa Police took command of the state. And during the year, Goa Police has done a commendable job. There were large number of international and national events, including the national games also. So Goa Police performed exceedingly well in all these events. In fact, the national games were the biggest ever event which Goa state organized, and Goa Police did the arrangement for the movement of the players, the venues. And so far as crime is concerned, on the crime front also great achievements have been achieved by Goa Police. Our detection rate is highest in the country, and apart from that, good seizures have also been seized. In addition to that, Goa Police has also made its mark in the sports field also. Last year also it had won cricket championship. This year, today only, the first T20 interstate event has also been won by Goa Police by defeating the Gujarat Police. So it goes to the credit of the officers and men that they are performing very well. And this year also we are in the run-up to the almost closure of the year, and Christmas and New Year arrangements have already been planned, and we will make sure that the tourists and the people who have come to the state, they are provided a safe and secure environment.